In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be taking you through how to do a straight bar bicep curl on a cable machine. So firstly, what I want you to take a little look at is at the top of the straight bar, I've got this little hole here. That hole is what I'm going to be threading through the carabiner. So I open the carabiner, pop it in through the hole, like so. I've fastened it into the carabiner. So that's going to go nowhere. The second thing is that when I'm coming into a cable machine movement that requires me to go from a low to a high position, this needs to be nice and low. So on the opposing side of the camera, I've got a little pin mechanism I'm going to pull out. I'm going to bring this down and fasten it in. So you can double check that it's fastened in by just giving it a little wiggle. It shouldn't go anywhere. You're then going to pick the appropriate weight for you. So you just slide a little pin mechanism out of these cable machines and you slot it into the desired weight for you. What you're then going to do is you're then going to stand center line on to where you've got the pulley mechanism. So this should be bang in line with the center line of your body. I'm then going to nice straight back, bring the straight bar up. I've got a palm up position here. Feet hip width apart, shoulders back, core and glutes squeezed. I'm going to keep my elbows into my body, keep that palm up position as I bring the bar up towards my chest and slowly back down towards my thighs. Up towards my chest where I'm shortening the bicep and I'm lengthening the bicep under control on the way down. The weight is something that when I'm coming down on the repetition, so when I'm doing my eccentric, you should be in control of the speed of the weights coming down. Don't just let gravity bring it down and work really hard on only one part of the movement. From here, once you're done, let's say this is my last repetition, I'm then going to fully straighten the arm, keep the back nice and straight, and then you can pop the straight bar down. You would repeat that for your desired amount of sets and repetitions, and that's how to do a straight bar bicep curl on a cable machine.